Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today I'm on my way to Parel Ganesh Workshop and we are going to photograph my favorite subject Ganpati Papa. But this time we're going to do it a little differently. I have set a challenge for myself that I will click all my images in black and white today. So let's get started.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you. I did a little bit of cheating as I have come here when most of the Ganpati idols are not yet painted and are anyway white. But still, am I absolutely sure about my black and white challenge? You gotta do what you gotta do. Textures and contrast are stronger in black and white. Black and white can bring out emotions more strongly than color by removing distractions from the image. You can either shoot your images in color and then convert them into black and white in post-processing, or use the monochrome mode of your camera. I'm gonna do both. I'm gonna take images in color as well as the monochrome mode. The tonal range in black and white photography is one of the most important factors to focus on. The tonal range is how bright or how dark parts of your image are. The bigger the tonal range, the more impressive the image is. In color photography, your eyes can see a bright orange and blue color. But in black and white, these two areas may have the same brightness. So, you have to look for scenes with tonal contrast. Make sure you have a clean white and clean black in your image. For example, here the background is the only black and the light on my Ganpati is the only white, which is enough to add texture to my image. Without it, sometimes you may have different shades of grey which may look forced. Pay attention to the leading lines, shadows and shapes in your scene. Most of these can be found by observing the lighting in your environment. Patterns become interesting because of their ordered repetition. Color can distract us from giving such patterns our attention. Long exposure is a must-try for monochrome photography. The blurring of the movement adds texture to your frame. Now that we have our images, it's time to take them home and see how we can edit them. Here is an image that I have clicked in color and I'm gonna start editing it for you guys. I don't suggest that you compulsorily edit your images in this way, guys, but I'm just gonna show you how I edit my images into black and white. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is go to the camera raw filter. I'm gonna go and do my basic settings first. I'll go to lens correction and remove chromatic aberration. Enable lens correction. Next, I'm gonna go to the detail pane and reduce my noise a bit because this was clicked at 800 ISO. Next, I'm gonna go to the HSL tabs and convert my image into black and white. We'll play with the settings below later. First, I'm gonna go to my basic tab, reduce the exposure. I want this image a little underexposed. Increase contrast. I want a lot of contrast. Yes. Reduce my highlights by pressing down the Alt key. increase shadows, same way Alt key, whites and blacks, increase clarity. Now I'm gonna play with my curves and just make this little brighter. Yes, that's it, I guess. Now I go to my HSL tabs and play with my individual colors. Guys, you can skip this step if you want. There's no need to play with these colors and you can keep it at default. But if you want to enhance or reduce the cast of a particular color in your image, you can use this tool. It's very useful. My image had a little bit of yellow cast, so I'm gonna reduce my yellow. But guys, this is totally up to you how you want to play with your colors and which colors you like to see in your images. That is completely your style. Now I can see that my man is a bit dark and my Ganpati has a little bit of highlights. So I'm gonna edit that now. I'm gonna take the adjustment brush. Yes, it's already here, increased to a plus 0.7. I'm gonna just paint over this face. Maybe a little bit shadows too. I also got a little part on the Ganpati and to the side, so I'm gonna erase that. Now I will take a new brush and paint over my Ganpati. But this time I'm gonna decrease the exposure because this is a bit highlighted and reduce my highlights. A little bit of shadows, and that's it. I like my image. I'm gonna say okay. I'm gonna add a bit more curves to make it a little more contrasty. A little bit, not much. I'm quite happy with my image. Just to add it a little more contrast to it. Yes. And I'm gonna use the brightness contrast to reduce brightness and add little bit of contrast. Very little. Yes. And that's it. I'm done.
It is bound to take time for you to develop a flair for black and white photography because we are so used to the colors, right? But with little thought and lots of practice, you are bound to sail through. And don't just convert your images into black and white if they are underexposed or have a lot of noise. You need to think in black and white. You need to visualize your shot before you actually click it. Black and white should help you in depicting your story in a more dramatic and impactful way, and not just be a tool to save your underexposed and dull images. And guys, if you want me to come to your Ganesh Mandal or workshop and photograph for you, or even if you keep a Ganpati at home and want me to come and photograph for you or make a video for you, please contact me at sonikacreativeservices@gmail.com and I will get back to you. Or if you want to buy prints of my Ganpati photos, the link is down below in the description. And thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give me a huge thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what you want to watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I am on YouTube. Here is my previous Ganesh vlog. Please go check it out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.